Oh, hi. Grayson, the fire alarm just went off. I just heard it go off in my room. So the fire alarm went off. The fire alarm went off, and it was very creepy. See you outside. Guys, we're outside. So that's what it looks like. They're clearing out the building. We haven't heard any information, but this was what it's like in my room. We were in my room when it went off. But it was very loud. Like, it was like in the middle of the day. So there it is. They're in checking the building. Our map just got more information, so looks like we're good to go back in. We're good to go back in. We're good to go back in. Come on, Grayson, it's good to go back in. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Take off like that. Like that. That is not how you want to wake up. That is not how you want to wake up. Quinn, was that scary? Was the fire alarm scary?
No.
It wasn't for you. Well, it was loud. So let's go back up to our room.